I'm going to think a lot about the meal that I had with him and the conversation that I had. All that's going to come back and be fresh in my mind.
I love eating good food. I love the cuisine from our state, because I think every 50 kilometers, the kind of food what we eat changes.
And I feel the way to honor an incredible human being who's passed on is to cherish those memories in our heart forever. It's not going to be easy, especially when we see, everywhere you will see his image, his smiling image looking at you.
Time is the only healer, I guess, because even if you look at his photos and then anything that comes on TV, without your knowledge, that tears just comes. That's the thing. Puneet Rajkumar.
Madke kalu, the moth beans. Yen guy. Zaban ka gulam. That's a very nice term. Zaban ka gulam. I'm a professional Zaban ka gulam. Hi folks, Diwali greetings to everybody. We're in Diwali week here. Of course, it's a very subdued Diwali because of the tragedy that unfolded over last weekend, and I think the mood is very subdued everywhere, and I guess that's the way it is with us too. So we've stepped out for lunch and with the boss, of course.
Happy Diwali, everybody.
I had promised her for the longest time that I will take her for lunch to Basaveshwar Khanavali for the Jola da Roti Uta. And while I'm happy that we're doing this, but it also, brings memories of my episode with power star Puneet Rajkumar. May his soul rest in peace.
The military hotels you go you see my dad's photograph and start.
Yes, of course. Yes, you have a culinary legacy that spans decades. I think with your family's patronizing of many of these establishments. So today I have the opportunity of eating with you, I'm told. I think as I go there and I savor this meal, I have savored this meal many a times, and it's one of my favorite vegetarian meals, so to speak. But I'm sure today as we savor this, I'm going to think a lot about the meal that I had with him and the conversation that I had. All that's going to come back and be fresh in my mind.
I love eating good food. I love the cuisine from our state, because I think every 50 kilometers, the kind of food what we eat changes. Hassan, Mandya, Karawali, Kurd, Chikmagalur. So when you come to Shimoga, it's different.
Like they say, Karnataka is truly one state, many worlds, even when it comes to food. So, mixed feelings about this lunch. So, of course, I want Sri to savor that Jola da Roti Uta. It's going to bring back memories. And I think the only thing that we can do is cherish those memories. I think every now and then we will go through this pain. Of course, now it is very, very fresh, so we are thinking about it and it's very painful, and over a period of time I think we will all get busy doing what we do. We all have responsibilities, families, people that work with us, people that we are responsible for, accountable to, etc. And perhaps the pain will subside over a period of time, but then every once in a while there will happen certain things which will perhaps trigger that memory, trigger that pain. And I think that's part of life. And I feel the way to honor an incredible human being who's passed on is to cherish those memories in our heart forever, and carry on with life. It's not going to be easy, especially when we see, everywhere you will see his image, his smiling image looking at you. But somewhere I get a sense that perhaps he too would have wanted us to carry on with our lives. I had a very limited, short interaction with him, but that interaction, which lasted for maybe a couple of hours or so, was enough for me to feel like I have known him all my life. I mean, that is the impact that Shri Puneet Rajkumar had on all our lives, and I guess that will stay with us forever. We have to carry that memory.
Yeah, this time is the only healer, I guess, you know. Because even if you look at his photos and then anything that comes on TV, without your knowledge, that tears just comes, you know. That's the thing, you know, Puneet Rajkumar.
So yes, so that is how things are now. But you know, I think we will always remember him. Sometimes more, and sometimes we'll perhaps be occupied in things that we do. And I think all of you, I think it's the same for all of you out there. If we look at the love that the video that I did with him, the love that it has received, it's absolutely incredible. It's unprecedented, and that just demonstrates the sort of person that he was, or that he will always remain in our hearts, in our minds forever. So anyways, we are here in Jayanagar, and we are on our way for lunch to Basaveshwar Khanavli, and hopefully Shri will enjoy her Jolada Roti Uta, and let's see how that goes. Namaskara.
Please come, sir.
Hey, Dira.
Yeah,
Happy Diwali.
My son,
Okay.
you met him in Gandhinagar.
Okay, that's my wife.
Happy Diwali, madam.
Namaskara.
Sir, how are you, sir?
Good, how are you?
I've been
Please sit, please sit.
It's an honor for us.
Please sit. Please sit.
Happy Deepavali.
Happy Deepavali to everybody.
So when we just walked inside, we just spoke about,
Did you? Okay.
yeah.
Well, it's nice to be here at Basaveshwar Khanavli and see many happy diners enjoying lunch. Are you excited?
Oh, yeah, I'm very excited.
Yeah. Looking forward to it.
Very much.
I think when you have a banana leaf that's placed in front of you, I think it just builds up the anticipation.
Appetite kind of gets built up.
So I've had this meal numerous times. I've had it, I think, twice or thrice in Bengaluru. I've had it once at the Basaveshwar Khanavli in Hubli. But, you know, it's still always exciting. Some kosambri. Make a beginning with the obattu. Sweet. Tuppa is always nice. Have a little bit. Zunka. Very similar to also Maharashtrian sort of a dish that they make. In Maharashtra, they Zunka, but they do it, it's very patal, it's like a gravy. Whereas here, it's almost like a chickpea cake of sorts.
Obattu is so delicious. It's like a homemade obattu.
Yeah.
So I was just telling her as we came in, you should try it as a roll, like the way you make it.
No, you should do it with the, you should also get some of the chutneys are there.
Yeah.
They call it the Muttige Uta.
Yeah.
Such a big pleasure today and a coincidence.
Thank you. Excellent. Huh?
So good. It's like real homemade one.
So do you understand Konkani, sir?
I can understand to a certain extent. Are they no? Godi Paisa. Very nice.
Godi dal.
Thank you. We'll be making a beginning on a sweet note. After all, Diwali. Some holige with the tuppa. And we also have some Godi Paisam. Godi Paisa.
First time eating Godi Paisa like this. You
Yeah.
can see the whole Godi. I thought it looked like barley to me.
It looks like barley. What I also like is that the obattu isn't too sweet. No, the sweetness is just right.
Perfect.
Masur bhaji, हाँ, ಪಾಪಡ್ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜಾಗ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಲ್ಲ. ಹೆಸರು ಕಾಳು ಇವತ್ತು ಮಡಕೆ ಕಾಳಿಲ್ಲ.
ತುಂಬ ಇಷ್ಟ. ಇನ್ನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ
ಮಡಕೆ ಕಾಳು, ದ ಮಾತ್ ಬೀನ್ಸ್, ಏನ್ಗಾಯಿ. We have to constantly keep rearranging things on a bale ele. Thank you. So I think now we've got more or less a full bale ele. We've got the kosambri, we've got some chutney here, you've got the junka, you've got the masru bhaji, some cucumber, yengai, we've got the green gram, and then of course we have the madke kalu. Well, I'm still on my dessert, the godhi payasam. I love the earthiness of the godhi in that, delicious. You're also biting into a bit of that husk, no?
Yeah.
The wheat husk.
Yeah. Total fiber.
Total fiber. So the nutritionist approves. Delicious. That's the main act. Hot puffy jolada roti. So when you come for a meal here, you got to submit to the pace of the waiters. So it's like an assembly line of sorts. That is the shenga chutney. Shenga pudi. You can put some for me also. That is the gurelu, the Niger seed chutney. ಇದು ಕೆಂಪು ಚಟ್ನಿ ಅಲ್ಲ? ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸಮ್ ಕೆಂಪು ಚಟ್ನಿ ಇವರೇ ಕೊಡಿ. ಲೆಮನ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಖರ್ಜೂರ ಅದು. ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಟ್ರೈ ದಿಸ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. You got to get some of the butter, some of the benne, some of that ಹೆಸರು ಕಾಳು. ಖಾರ ಇದೆ. The ಹೆಸರು ಕಾಳು is ಖಾರ ಇದೆ. Chili bhaji, yeah. Oh, we didn't get to try the chili bhaji. Oh, bantu, chili bhaji bantu. As if on cue, the chili bhaji has arrived. Did you find it spicy?
Yeah, I found it. Maybe the chili which I had, so yours is fine.
No, because I just tasted the hesru kalu before that, which is spicy. So that spice and this spice is balancing it out, I suppose.
Even the yengai is spicy.
Yeah, that's very typical of North Karnataka, Hubli. Is this your first time here?
Yeah, first time.
Okay. I love the crunch of that bhaji, mirchi, and they call it only the mirchi. They don't call it the mirchi bhaji. In Hubli, this is called only the mirchi. It's got a bit of the spice, but because I've tasted the spice of the hesru kalu, I'm not tasting the spice as much. But the batter is certainly rather scrumptious. Get some of the masru for my chutney. ನನಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೆ ನಾನು. Says ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನು ಬೇಕು? I'm barely done with what is on my ಬಾಳೆ ಎಲೆ. So I think out here it's a race. The race against the people who are serving you. So who's the fastest type?
And also, you have to eat fast. People who eat fast like me, avarge pata pata.
So as for me, it's always slow and steady wins the race. So I'm sure my servers at some point get fed up. Mix some of that masru into the gurelu and also that shenga chutney. You know, the key is to have a lot of the yogurt
Yeah.
along with I love that slight sour nuttiness of that gurelu. Also very fibrous in its bite. You try the shenga chutney.
ಕನಕಪುರದ ಹತ್ರ ಒಂದು ಚಿಬಲಿ ಇಡ್ಲಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು
ಚಿಬ್ಲು ಇಡ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಹಲಗೂರು. ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೆ.
ವೀಣಾ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಲ್ಲೇಶ್ವರ
ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಓಕೆ. ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಈಗ ಕೊರೋನಾ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ ಇಂದ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್.
ಇದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ನಾಲ್ಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಜಪಾನ್ ಕಾ ಗುಲಾಮ್.
Zaban ka gulam. That's a very nice term. Zaban ka gulam. I'm a professional Zaban ka gulam.
ಜಪಾನ್ ಕಾ ಗುಲಾಮ್. ಆದ್ರಿಂದ ಅದು ನಮಗೆ ಊಟ ತಿಂದೆಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ್ರೂ ಹೋಗ್ತೇವೆ ನಾವು. ಕಾಡಿಗೆ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೇವೆ.
ಕಾಡಿಗೆ ಸಹ ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಾ?
ಒಳ್ಳೇದು.
ಕೆಲವು ಸತಿ ಕಾಡಲ್ಲಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಊಟ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್. ಕಾಡಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ. I'm enjoying that madke kalu. There's also plenty of peanuts that you taste. What is this? Some garlic? No, that's a fritter of the bhaji that fell into my madke kalu. I love the nutty crunch. I love the crunch of the madke kalu, the mornings. This video isn't so much about reviewing the food. It's more about just savoring the food. If you want to know what the food is all about, do look up our previous episodes on Basaveshwar Khanavali. We've got 3 of them. 2 in Bengaluru and 1 also in their hometown of Hubli. And that yenga is spicy. Sakkat kara ide. Busy roti kodu. He said, "Inond roti kodla." Like in Hindi there's a term, neki or pooch. I said, of course, bring the next roti. Bring it on. So I don't know what this vlog's going to look like. It's very unstructured. Also, I'm shooting on a new camera today. I'm not using my GoPros today at all. I've got a new action cam, a very tiny one. Let me know what you think of it. The footage, the sound. Thank you. Sakkat kara ide, huh? I think Diwali special andre, I think Hubli style kara ide. Illa saku ide. This has more butter. Ordinarily, I would have perhaps agreed, but you know who's sitting with me? It's a pulao special, hai, what? And now we're going to get to our making of the mudge hoot. I think I'm going to use half of it for that. Half the roti. Smear some of the chutney. I got some shenga chutney here with some mosuru, some gurelu chutney as well. Some of that kempu chutney. Huli ide, kara ide. Salva sweetness kuda ide. Get some of the vegetables on it. Get some of the cucumber on it. And then finally, or actually I should have smeared this on before placing the vegetables on it. Flatten the dzumka, which is made of chickpea. Basically spiced chickpea cake.
Highly nutritious.
The boss says highly nutritious. She didn't make any such observations when I was smearing the butter onto my roti. You did? What did you say? Highly nutritious again?
I was talking about the jhumka.
Zunka. What about the butter?
Butter, it's okay once in a while.
Once in a while, Deepavali indulgence. That's my Zunka wrap. A wrap that will beat any sub hollow. You got the earthy flavors of the jol of the roti, the spice of the condiments. I can taste a bit of the huli, bit of the kara that's coming from the condiments, the crunch of the cucumber, and then that grainy texture, the grainy, slightly spiced texture of the zunka. This is a preparation that was introduced to me by the people at Basaveshwar Khanavali assemblage. And when I did my meal with Puneet Rajkumar, I also showed him this and he enjoyed this thoroughly. He relished it. So in fact, given the fitness buff that he is, I mean to me he still is, he said this has everything. It's got the carbs, it's got the protein, it's got the vegetables,
The fat
a bit of the fat from the butter. Yeah, you need fat too, by the way.
for the proper absorption of everything.
Proper absorption of everything.
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ರಸಂ ತುಪ್ಪ ಬೇಡ
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ತಗೋ ತುಪ್ಪ. This young guy is also quite nice. Huh?
ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸಲೆಂಟ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಟ್ವೈಸ್
Twice. That means it won her approval, won her overwhelming approval. Huh?
Yeah, nice and spicy and all ingredients in proper proportion.
Some pulao to round off our meal. Today was more about Shri savoring the meal, and she did.
Yeah, I did. I thoroughly enjoyed each and every bite of it. I thoroughly enjoyed. This is the kind of meal I actually like, and I don't feel guilty after eating. You can eat as much as you want. You can eat 2 rotis and like multiple that sprouted beans and stuff.
Madke kalu.
Madke kalu and then brinjal and everything. After eating, you just don't feel guilty, and you don't have to go home and think, like I have to burn these calories. So this is like my kind of meal.
Fantastic. So, mission successful. I'm glad that she enjoyed her meal. So this wasn't really so much about doing a review. Like I said, we've done 3 videos on Basaveshwar Khanavali already, including one with Shri Puneet Rajkumar Auru. And this was just about bringing her here, getting a taste of the Jolada Roti here, and also savoring some memories. Also nice to meet people here, and of course also wish and also talk about power star Puneet Rajkumar. You cannot miss the influence of the chili in any Hubli style uta. So the family behind Basaveshwar Khanavali are from Hubli, Dharwad, and so the style of food that they do here is what you find there. So it's very rustic in its appeal but delicious. So I tried the meal in Hubli, and of course I think the produce there also makes a huge difference. I think the water of that region is rather sweet. So when you have a meal in Hubli, it's great, and even the one that you have here is rather close. And every once in a while, they bring in ingredients from Hubli. I think they did a Ullu Badne Kai some time ago, which was rather nice. So I think they do that every once in a while. So if you want to taste some good North Karnataka Jolada Roti Uta, I think you should definitely check this place. I think the spices are your kind of spice level.
Yeah. North Karnataka and Andhra, people do eat a little bit of spice. If you get that spice on your tongue, that's when you enjoy the meal better.
But their definition of spice on the tongue is very different from our definition of spice on the tongue. Her spice on the tongue is probably just a slight spicy tickle, but for me it's a sort. If I take my hat off now, I'm sure I'll be dripping buckets of sweat. So anyways, that's it for this short and sweet vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. I think more importantly, take care of yourself, take care of your loved ones, and be happy, enjoy your life. Enjoy whatever it is that you do, enjoy the pleasures of your loved ones, your family, your friends. Because the one thing for sure is that now is all that we have. We make plans for the future, we make plans for tomorrow, forgetting the now. Live in the now, relish the now, enjoy the now. I'll see you on the next one. Take care, stay safe, stay strong, take care of your loved ones, and God bless. Bye-bye. Yeah, hi, how are you?
Fine.
What's your name?
Vikyat.
Vikyat. Thank you.
I regularly watch all your
Oh, do you? Okay, do you like it?
many of your videos.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you.
Namaste. Namaskar.
Thank you, sir. Nice meeting you.
Likewise.
Almost all you are going there. I will go and taste.
Yeah. Do you enjoy it?
Enjoying.
Hi.
My name is Rudrakant Rambapre. I
Okay.
watch your channels.
Oh, okay.
Can we have one?
Yeah, sure, sure.
After your recommendation, we both came down from Odisha. But we
Oh, okay, from Orissa.
Yeah.
I want to try some Odia food sometime here.
Yeah, yes, sir.
We are welcome. Hi, ma'am.
Done with the lunch in half an hour back.
Oh, okay. Oh, you're waiting. Oh, so sorry.
No, it's no.
Ma'am.
She doesn't. Yeah, she doesn't usually. See you. Happy eating.